How na dey, my people? Now cleaning things this morning, oh, some go, some not go. Some of una dey work now. Me, I also dey work for his house. Any work na work. How are you? Any work na work. Oh. You go work, you not go, you work inside house. All work na work. All work na work. Good morning. How na dey? How are you people? Let's clean together. Cleaning things. How are you people? Watching live from Manchester. How is Manchester today now? How is the weather? I'm out there. Yeah. Max to that people in Rue, yeah?
What? Mama, why
do it? Yeah. Good afternoon, my people. Have my day. Cleaning things so. Today, Mama Rita is home. She's not going anywhere. Dora, if you finish, you go and bring my charger for me. Eh?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello, Sister Rita.
Hey, OJ, how you dey?
Good afternoon. I dey fine.
How far now?
How the family?
Family dey o, how body?
I dey okay.
I dey show, I dey life. I just enter life. You know?
No, you know, say, tell me, say, I call you around 12 for here now.
Oh, it dey 12 o'clock for UK, abi?
Yeah, for UK, yeah.
I don't wait for you, Taya. Na to 1 now. I still say you know.
You say around 12. I go if you say now 12 for here.
No, you know say na Europe we dey na.
Oh, I know this not like that. I'm sorry.
Na Europe we dey. Be like say una dey 1 hour more than us. I say be like say una dey 1 hour. Yes.
Yeah.
Now.
1 hour more.
All right. No worry. If I come at yours now, I call you.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, I don't see wetin I dey find. Oh, get wetin I lost since yesterday. I don't see her now. Hello, Sister Rita. Good morning. Meg, yes, so bien. How are you? Yes, so bien. How you dey? Morning motivation, my people. They never see wetin they never see before. Morning motivation. I want to motivate some people because of what happened yesterday. That's our sister. Life is jejeje. Please take it easy. Take life easy. Try to do what you can to put yourself together, put your family together, put your children together. Try to do the things where they give you joy, where they make you happy. Some people ordinary hair, what they do, they make them be happy. Some people ordinary braiding. Saga day today. Some people saga don't chop their head finish for this open. Eh? Can't throw I got to say. What is saga do you for body? Eh? Why be say you just come there? Eh, Sister Rita, for you buy makeup now waste of money. Go Madonna buy food there. Instead, why I buy makeup? Me I go use and buy Madonna. You know, say one man sue Madonna to this thing that day. One man sue KFC to cut that day. Hello?
Hello, sister.
Hello.
Sister.
What you here, Baba? Okay, mere line ni o ba we ti me na ni a. Me ga wa la line na.
Okay.
Oh me o mami ya maybe 1 hour from now we titi e give the line again ni.
Okay, one line. You know.
Wa fe na tale no a. Ten you right yon you a hatale o. Na tale ya bi. Like we line. Okay, woman. Okay, that no wala. Oh man, I will tell them maybe 1 hour from now more.
Okay.
Later. Now so May I go bring this my charger? If they just see me for all of them go to begin they call, they pour in. Somebody said the money where I want to buy this thing, me I carry and go to buy money where I want to buy makeup. Me I go use and take they buy Madonna for Madonna of place man the chop. Any makeup. I'll use and take buy Madonna. I'll use and buy Madonna, my people. Only that Madonna where person to the chop, e not good though. Some women that they talk like they'll say they won't carry their women go Madonna. If they reach there, they'll shop 3 Big Mac. But they will first say that they are picking, they won't carry go Madonna. Picking where you carry go still they want cheeseburger way small. Or one hamburger way small. You don't hammer 2 Big Mac. I see one woman like that with my eye one day. He say, hey, I don't carry children come. I want me and my children come carry chop this afternoon. Make I carry they come find something where they go chop before Corona close every year. Me I carry and come, you know, these children sometimes they don't let person rest in the day as now say, no wait to this Big Mac where come they plate. Who come they chop up this one? He say, you know, you just say me you still or nyano mwesi rigbeo. Or nyano mwesi rigbeo anyway. Ni be die kere yatare. Ye me yaramunu wona we. Pack e fa we yaramunu hola. Area where they go get fat tummy, abi 2 pack. Oh, we why ramunu. A pack of palovi and the second one we are finished for now. If you can't with your children where you carry because they never even chop one cheeseburger finish. You will carry children con you don't use it. How are you, Lillian? You be my darling, my sweetie. How you doing? You will your carry children con where back back on a Big Mac. The second one we are in now where we are go you be a car. Make yourself in the life for children head now. What for you? They come you okay. Some people they will say they want to cook spaghetti for their children. You will say na spaghetti, say na children they want to cook for. Now lie yo. When they cook spaghetti finish, you are here your knob honey or you hear your what you kuyelile or roll your palo ye. Ja, wale mbade kakuoge. Hello Ritoto. Did settle that marriage yesterday? Yes. We settle down by the grace of God. They will be fine. Don't worry. Get one person who want to read the comment for you. Don't say afternoon, dear. That woman that call you, what is she saying that she is in UK and they are not yet 12 p.m. She lie. She lie. UK is 11:47 a.m. Yes, now so she talk. He said at 12 then day for day. But for here we day 1. Me don't they wait for her since 12 for years since. Meaning almost 1 hour difference. With me and she don't get. You see? Now so it be So some women we know how to lie for our children, especially when it concerns food. That food there, I go say, let me just be doing this meat for them. You know, say they like meat well. My children like meat too. Even if you want to collect money for their papa hand self, now the children self will still take the play while you. Did you see your children? Are you not bringing money for them? You need to bring money for them. They need this money to do this. They need that money to do that. And they say, how are you, mommy? They need money to do that. They will ask them. Immediately they don't put that money. You first open the center of the wallet. You go put that inside. Maybe the one where go me picky for inside. Or na small it go be. The one where the mama go use account belay for inside. Now go many pass. Hello.
Hello, Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you dey?
I did fine, Mommy.
Other side.
We thank God. The manager for loneliness.
Okay, you the manager for loneliness. How you do wife when I give you?
You not give me wife.
Hija.
Smoking on clean. Not if you put my way you give me. You not clean, but I say I smoke. Not be. You don't know who they talk, Mama.
Okay, say you dey smoke. The woman say you dey
You don't know
smoke.
who they talk.
I don't know who they talking. I don't know who they talk. The woman say you dey smoke.
Now, Joel they talk. Joel split to black.
Skin to black.
Skin Joel black. Skin
You beg hey brother no reference. How you dey? I no quick see your number.
Okay, now me they talk over Mama.
How you dey? Yes, so Susan Jones. Woman, when I give you say you too smoke. Now another one way not the smoke. Now you define so. When you say when go like smoking. You believe say woman they will go like man where they smoke?
Women they smoke too now.
Okay, you go tell me say Mama Rita defend smoker for woman so that we can be smoking together.
No, I don't tell you like that.
I not say you not tell me. I say now that one you supposed tell me. Now that one you supposed tell me say you defend woman where they smoke. So that two of them go they smoke together. Now you not like woman where they smoke.
I know another woman where they smoke.
You not like woman where they smoke, but you they smoke. If they tell you when you stop smoking, you not go yet.
Now loneliness they cause smoking for man, but you loneliness don't cause mama.
Now loneliness cause am for your body. So now be say if woman enter your life now, you go stop cigar.
Yes, now.
But all the women wey dey this hook up now. I never see woman for France, so I still dey find woman for France. All those women wey dey France, they say dem dey strike, they no want to Nigeria. I don't know why.
Where you for come get woman?
Na Germany, no, na Italy. The women wey dey France, they say they no want French men again. Na that one be the problem. So they say French men. Yeah, where? Imagine here who are we here with? Why we here with Donania?
Mama, we are doing about
Huh?
woman where you get for Italy, you ready relocate?
How many want to relocate? Some of them where they don't get their own house. They don't get their own house. They don't get their own property. You will just tell them, make them just carry back, make them just relocate instantly, make them come sit down with you for France. Not being winning dog banner. Not being winning dog banner. So, I know say you want woman, but I never see for you. No worry. You hear?
Okay, man, no wahala.
I beg, now gossip matter now put for ground. All these hook people, why they swear? Okoko, why be yare? Ah, in yemu yo turn it to now. Why go me awo emi ke? Why the anye why you boy be anani kwali kuhiana? Eh? Hello.
Hello, Krista.
Call brother Gbebu.
Yes, I'm from Saloboa.
Oh.
But no, man in okay, speak all the way.
Okay, brother Gbebu.
Why is it, ma?
Oh.
Mama, open again. I don't know what time mama if we want to say, mama, tell you to tell her day.
You always way be arena. But them no even time we na. Buwa wa we meeting me ya.
Whether mama, whether Mama Sarah, or which you can call the pastor ne, yeah, can't pastor ne. In short, you know what time my marriage turned down the receive 2 years, 3 years of break away with you.
Ija wetin ya ka beti yan ati ogwa jo saye na we. Ka beti na yi.
Yeah, mama, every woman now. Or we are can't pastor ne, or we pastor there, way me, pastor come here with me now. It is your salasa, your one now. If we know our woman, Mama Sarah,
Wetin ya ati ogwa jo saye mu we. Matter.
Mama, every woman now where they were
Isha, awoka wa avie meneke Nigeria re. Iya agbuwe wa. Okay, €50 we ri egie. Isha bo bia ni agbe broda na wa bana yi. Owo no ka wa amwe menere we bu ni.
I don't follow money because when you have money, you use it.
The punishment in wa mu gwaji. Inwe na ye wa mu gwaji oku ni.
Sister mo pari no ko 7 dekere no reje mi ona wa ko lo woni wa si ai.
Isha esa wa wonu wa si ai. O ma wonu kwa le be nu ai ko ya momore ye. Ami o ko na problem.
Ye wa fi obi ai nere. Wo ko ke mi mama wo no bi pere we wo na. Wo ma ni ya we wo na.
Ti ma e. We go discuss e o ka ma e we am nere u pa kere ai ko we. You go talk the way.
ye mai buwa ye mai wona village you know what you mopa mena do ano eri one would make na one me ye on one boma wa wonu wa finish me wo ha me buwe o mana sana udele mama da ti me yi na ibe muslim uda woni ya pe wa rapport training wo ibi ara bu ye yi on maybe I so ata we he na wo ha me buwe ibi muslim ye yi on ni wo wa boma
mo ko ya wa mo be bi fi egbe ba ala me yo e wala ye wa mo bi wa fi go wo ni
me you wa ye na we na be sa to na you wa mi fi we ne yare upa ina kere ko we mena do aka me ro bi ye ka de by court yo wo bi ye no jo mu ya ne ya se go me wa le na we ma o na deti me to dari deti mo da me ti with ono dari deti me to dari ti me ga se dedi gbe yo me ti
Isha na me pele me we bo brother ami ma no ma gwa le solution to a problem e ya ke no pele ke no dari solution mo bi agwa lo ya mama da ni gbo ti be ti vi yare ibi ni re be ti e ke no mu owo ya ka ya ko le pastor ne e ba no na wa mu na mu ya mu we gwa ma jo sa ni me ma jo bo je ba am I there in relationship one way be gwa ma to sa and most of those pastors that they you get the way they take the view get the way they take the
behave ma eti gboro bene me ya me ti fi yare asa doso iya adoti ya no man na
yes na
me ti adoti ya man na sa na ya fi asa wepo na ya me hyo go me omo me ti be kuma si mi man na sa bet eni egita ohun yakaya ko le pastor de
me ma de like na we ede amu yu hian ma make ne pastor mo eri eban gba so na ti be mo hian la mountain
o se ogita ohun wa gbe yen na wa gbe we na ma na eri yen ma mi go ya de bi na wo ma na wo na ka ti yen e na instantly na ma send
me mo bobo ni o ma we nu o wa e dan gbe at least aka be gbe ni akebe ya ka ge e demand no di ba ni
wa mi no ga tama we e na we o tama na aka ma o wi sati mu ho na
o twa gbe nu legu eti mu
o wi sati mu ho na o wi sati
owo akwa anu egbe go tun what we wo akwa anu egbe
wa e message to re ma we uda ya yo mo na o no 45 years no 46 o mo ma no
we yo mo
me yo mo
akwa
almost 21 years me gbe kan we erika me na ina won ko me gbe kan we Spain ina e baba of Spain me here ori me kiri me live ye gbe wo ye na wo be wa live fine even me ya live
igba fun omo mo be gbe mi
ina ina o ma me kiri live ina ma me di me ya mo say e ya na ato ina ma me ya mo say ina wo ye best pa wo wa ka wo me ba nya me we Spain man na wo ina for me we family na wa me gbe ma o we gbe
to carry 4 children come no easy that one 5 million go to drop and amada da ebe ka ye gbe kan gbe na de gbe be bo me be no je na ka be we a relationship okun yen be atupa gbe
ọgbọ́n àtàdà ọ̀rẹ́ èrú ma mẹ́ pín yẹn èrí rí yẹn rí gbọ́mà súpà èrí yẹn ìṣẹ́ fún yẹn àbí ẹ́ ìdáwẹ̀ no ìdáwọ̀ náà.
La mo basket ni mo nje ni fode yi. Ne kere yen te wi awa office yen action ake yi wo ho na.
Ime ido adeda je ti me do e kama we ni me mu no 45 48 years na ya wa mu e na so regret. Je ti be wa ina ya wa le lo ni ro wa ata ma na wo ni wa le lo ni wo ni o kan ma we se.
Okay, we na mo bi ogu aya se bu we bu awe na mu mi ate e kare abe. Gani me na ri bude na nu we na kama we wepa. Work is there sister Stella na kama we wepa na we omo akin no man ne omo mo is small girl man iye egu wo bu kan re o. But oge we ni bu agwalu ina we o me eji na ya le gba be ri yo. Uwa uwe so pon wa wo han ugukwe obo kan gwalo ni munu ima mo wo kan we sale be no go bo kan ya ma gbe pa ba de gbiwe apa wo ma be ngweje we mu uwe mu egbe ma ne gbe be wo ne le webo egbe wo we ne gbe wo ni e problem na ra pe ke do mu yin re na gbo oni ka mo ye re ne to boy re fontaine you understand e pa mi abiari avasi ni wa ze di abiari ogme so ebe ni gbe ya tolo ma ya tolo ebe no wa ya kan we ni wo bi o kan here wa ru wa me wa le o le grigri ogume ya okmo gume ale ya bege egwe je so bi o kan here mana area mo bojo ogme so because iye mi ya okay demini e iye ga wa ka bi ihoni avance ne wa do agbala be small guess no wa dori e wa la no lele small guess bi aye gadegbe igbine small guess ya ze mu egbe me ya anyo
mama ibe gi regret na wo kama na opa ware unu e fa we kama we una woni ware London na ya wa ko e baba no watie o wa vi help we ade speed
ina wa ware help we ade na wo ho ba no wa wo bi o kan ekere ni sebe
ina 48 years na wo ikwe be do regret
una we ne sebe no ro no wa le lere wo gwa wo ni san ho gbigbigbi wo bi o kan kere na we pa e o ni san ho gbigbigbi ata na aba gbe pari egbe we that too we complain na na we imagine na ne
la wo da 48 years in London me amu
ba be na jena e ba we amu ni ne
ya ma ogera bi ma working na obi opa working
obi opa hin
me te wo obi opa working na
obi opa hin do obi opa hin o kin ga mu na ba me mu na ipa
obi opa working na
oni ma wenu amu na ba me mu na avasi ni me carry enu we as no man you understand we marry we wo ge no bi wo me aya se wo bi ogwalo bi o kan here no ni san ho gbigbigbi na we pa e ni san ho gbigbigbi ata na yen ya no ni san je kan paja ne ni negi ho ni we wa le lo ni no riyan we mi na so to we ba karo wo me ti gba na wo ma na ni ya me gi mo no ni san ho gbigbi nu we ne ni ya ama egbe papari egbe we ne we
that's why can wo de to when the start we wa no wa le lo yo ma so na no we short we give no tapa we stress no move our stress na kede ba de me ti ari chiwe ma sa ti ri chiwe na we ne power try me dey we dey like banana we na we power try we don't not London li don ye dey free la wo many day
ani mi we ayi ri ba we aka we ari ba ni me cause me ka bo de ne we gugu ko we ri ba ni gbe oko ni me di stand around
ya o se ma we ki go mai di ya
o se mo kun kwa yari me ji line na bi ya na ikwe ti na igwa ma ba ki o se mo kun for nothing
iyi ma we ki na ya
o mene o wata ma we wa vie ne re upa
gbe wa wo we mama
ya no e o ya no e mi ya no ka ma me
uno atukwa me fu uno we di me mari go gi ye uno unless o mana te wata irigo gi yo ni wa bo bi ye ro wo bi ye no wo wa dis
e ba so mana me patient te so ahun ayo ne ahun ayo ne at least ngbe de ma gbe ga ko ni gi hinu we na ne we so ahun ayo ne e to awa ahun ayo ko
izu wo no matter one egbe won ibe you na a muslim mindset who set to carry muslim one we no almost to the right way he also mother yefu na we yefu na na ya fara yefu erika ma na o mami o we not jo no mami na o mami we no se boy we be na okay na no make na you your hand
okay o we ya ta na we me aribu de nu we bari dobe ni we ari me aribu de nu we dobe wari
wo we ni na ri
os me carry nu we der yo kama we pa
okay o ma mo abe come ho me na kai na wo kagele kantai we ni le dori 48 years ni nu ko le no wa re ni bo ya this spin ma wo wa so life wo oni okay aba we say ma ha o ma da sana
me tu we fi aye eju were o etu we ma be gbera mi ati e we be gbera 45 ni o were ye kere yin bo you know ni ya le kemi na be ya ni aye be ya me ho
metoge wo wa ipede we body wa ji we da repo the age is number 45 years 45 years you understand November me here by 46 we metoge
okay no re London ni me ga agwa kadere o we igwa lo na ni we ni ado ya be be ri oni ni e ga ni we mana gwa lo be dere ya be gwa lo na wa gwa ri ga
ya okay we gwa lo me mero wuru na wana gwanana me hang your wuru
okay o is 50 years ni we ga imu this time around ni we gi me wala ni
50.
Mag to us. Igwa we no say 50 no begin na jena na we ga iri ni we can complain ya because when we jena na ka ke we me experience so na we ba bi o kan ya.
Ni 1 million water and number 2 that na here wa receive low. Mother sa. Yeah, we need receive even if receive with one on open we go. And the you ya kama we 2017 year. You
Una wizo e pa I dare o ma hiare yan. Abi dare ni bia na ihu we vi yan. What a magnum ya. Unwe abi dare yan o geta mi go ye kobodu we bo yan ma e we.
God bless you.
Yeah, we can go your cupboard. Na ya ma gi go logo. Uma na ma enu ta ma gi go logo. Bo hia ya ho e. At least when we jena no we teme. Wo ka ke no ma e na ya nya mo e. We den e we bo. We wa lesson ya ye junction ya.
Ekede gbe na wo me mama. Isi won go fe go. Hu ni re di meri ni ra meri. Edi ye meri. Edi ni no pade. Ni eri ke pastor. Ni ya.
Ko wa vie ni egbe we ya re. Abi dare na ya me medi.
What the condition of what it is in a calendar pussy. In a calendar pussy.
If I when I be your boy pa.
No.
Now wa le fo na.
Na kere ni back with na well. Mother Sarah. Ezi go go yita. And the Mother Sarah, I'll be notero, a market little day for a bad room. Mother Sarah. A bad room would do my in our ina kamena ina we beno mana ya wona na ya mi we ina we badro na kana na ipe we ma yiwu.
Okay, wa ma ye badro mu na be Spain ya mi o ma ya.
Ami we straight mana ya wona no ma we no respect awa mi we no ma mana ya wona mana gbe contract yo ya do mu e
me mo ko no 50 years e mi aware inu we pa na o keke wo ware he bu we ade wa do total ba already gbebe wo yere na bo yi.
Manda sana mama egbe wa wo na ina sister Kagli kata lele no 48 years here call no wa boy days from London lele ina we
itama we na we me go ho ni gwana ka ma wu me meha ure Spain u me meha wu go wa wo pa no wu mo ho ni na wu yen me problem na yan wa ro pa ro wa na yen do to take we wa no wa yen gba adu e hian kene bi na wo mo jawo me wa du wa gwan we wa ho a we wa ya wo gwa lo bi o han here no ni san ye ho gbigbi ina wo ma o then you now we be me for the second time na
e me giri na deti me wa na won no wo na we na me na be aza ko e ma na sa no we na do ka na we no age no na we kiro be at him where I na we help ina we help o na we ti do ni de no wa ko le baba na no we da wa bo wa re ni bu ya this week
o wa re mi bu we ade yin se wa mo gbe yen ri ku gbagba ni aya awon do wo ma ri ku gbagba be de ni
una wa me London me pale London
yes ma
una wa re ni bu ya de na na we ma de ru da we me yi
awu we na ya ro mi si bi ka
me na te wo baby no na me pe ni o se we na wo du ye pe na do we na me bi na de no ka be ye be attract me yi na o se na we o se na ka na we na ko we di person me
we worry ni aya gwale okpa eso no ave mi eso 45 gbe so e be mo gbe so be amomo obe okay ni ware UK na we okay na we 48 years no abi 44
una 48
48 okay no te pakibu we ade wa e bara o ni ma be ri ne pa won ho ni ma momo na yon pa ro abi ko ne momo be ri oni apa ro baba na ipe amari ne because e packet battalion here mother san
una 48 una we me na do na una mark your mind una o mark your mind una di
o mark your mind o ko no wa ye mose we am gba wi yin wani me begi
una we wo be say 48 ni ne
una
wo man we call
we ko no fo ya afin o ma ere de ko no fo no o wa mose
una wo man we call no jori my by we manage dey na we no na we gwa no na we say the call dey
okay na e we ni kanyo ni me we gbesu nwi na ne
e me regret e me ta motel na o ya te wa accept so we dey na we dey no mo
no 47 years no Italy we wa belele a
but up we are this pay
egbe wa oho wa ge ekun oda o ugba o efesi ewo Any make any lot of a webo, I mean, egg bear, I room. Jesus, one no, Jesus, may know your day. Eh, one no. Oh, yeah, don't know, man, door. Need no door packy boo, we are there because we may make her, but who you're gonna know what you're going to.
Mama.
Eh, no, what a time away, you need a pancake, no less say, and come away, no one needs to go or need on at least, so who have a lady, have a very pan out name. No, not that you were born away at your pastor, or at your pastor, elbow, any video.
She said 20-something years, almost 25 years ago. My mom no for many years ago. I'm long for many years ago.
Mudia Nukumeti, any no eh. Nukumeti, or mamma, one no cacabosi come in, Nukumeti, hold on, you can't come out there and away your honey. Why was it go? Because you don't make a boy, and we gualo, any gualo, Gani mutala we yukbo nisan. Iya ate vi obonu we nania. Nwe mi na e lagno ni.
No beswaga, e don't tell ka ogwala no beswaga.
Awon no beswaga we ya is a si wele lo to we ya e lagno di mi. Owu babolo owu metu you nu. We gwali bi ka ni beswaga ogbo ada we pa.
E don't tell that na who we swaga or who metala we you producer or who ye club who ye party o ma fi mi o ye o
we na here we ma go ko ne no ori pc ni wo ka ke no lele
baba da ro tell kiata o tell wo we so pe di wa e da wa gbe ile ra di be ka ni if ya re pack ya kure e make sure we ka o women number 1 o ka say school but we make sure we mu ya gbe o
if I want, why would I give it one?
We be kind of Pamela, no one we are, but one thing I pack ya, deliver the Iago, or we will swag, you will tell you put this up.
Who will swag, eh? I don't know, we are in your whole of the swag, you know, we are to let me pack.
I will look at her up with the woman made it up for 45 lago. We have a book in the 45 for what your body say.
Oh, your body, where's you? I haven't make out a winner. What's the women?
Are we club? We are a fat very good. You put all your ponies in 1 year or where you will be, or what will you have with me? You know, whatever they can get on Yamina, we know when our mother, my little big eye. I will bet you because we are my government, maybe or Massa or Timassa, a woman of Wapa.
Yeah, when we bet what can you me? What can you me for good? Because Denica Bue, Mariepa.
Yeah, where you might hear our mind.
Ogizima, equally Bogizima, and I am Mama. A bomb woman, a you namume whipper. Mama. Ibage we dam wo bia no dam e odo no gwa no line na we dam e odo no gwa no rufie na u dam e oye so e mo odo no gwa re o owegbe we do owegbe ya mo ye speaker no to bo we no e do mo gbagmo Uwa no e nu jagwa lo tamae. Nwa, owe mi we be ku gbagba o because it's pain na gwa lo we.
Me ware spray.
Owe tu we have ku gbagba mama.
E ware spray.
E ka ri ku gbagba, imi o amu pe o no de yo ma are London, e be na se va ni awa je.
O ko no de yo ma are London, e be na je va ta je wow, bravo.
O de yo wa gwa lo no mo pe.
E pa we dan me ho a e mama hu yen ku gbagba we be ku gbagba ata na
me wa ku gbagba me evi ya waro me so fa waro evi ya mada sana evi ya wa doki iwa eti gboro eti wa gboro mada sana
we ta e mama I think e mama we mo
ni mo meva gba mo
Viaje.
Yare we buma, yare one. Okpare 23, okpare September na agba 30 years.
Ija anyway one na.
Ya one ya we ke je ma we.
Okay, ya reke nu je wo paro. Ka una we do yo ma re no don tare helele.
The mother said that's started that's started out of the no follow no regional kuna. Who do they responsible? Who do they responsible? The whole we are we need now. A woman who we ye party who are your part one like the canu one to one.
La wo mama na me gwa bia no lu bia no do le ji gwa le pa e no wapo wa na ri la dian ari e jo e. Me da de gwa le gbon ni ni to ki ma we. No gbe traza na yeri la dian o bi re kin e da ya hin e ya hin mamo wa ma la ko bia no ko hin mamo wa awa ma eri e bo be sati yin amari e bo e mi to jo bi ya hin mi ati e na ma hin
mama woman understand the na whatever come we me phone no dit no fiunwa or we say fiunwa Banda yana go ekwi. We be peswa. We be peswa ga. We be peswa ga.
Mama, piano gwale swaga, piano gbe swaga we ma ye gwa lo.
Piano gbe swaga. O piano no ru chi me ibe unche ya ni ne. Mo da tap piano ru chi me ibe ru chi e ne. Piano ho ti be. Piano ku e ju wa.
Piano ku e jo wa no wa lo fofo yeso. Ikpie so wo wa yan kwo wo ji yo no wa abo lo kokko ihin obi yere here do abale no ya bo lo kokko gbele ye fridge me gwa le gbon ni mama ma o
ibani to da wi bare atani wari o wa we dere ake wa potori ale re chi o ro da ka wa do pe akabe ku o hane
akabe ku o akaku o hane won understand the night pa bi no je me nika
mama woman no tebe kai obu me phone le wa wi wa le wa e ba ya wa poto obu me ko no wa e biwe
e ba weta
oni me we me obu mo pa poto mo pa wo na wi ya ki to na do agu egu obu be latia obu be so wi ya gbe ski ya gbe skin tight ya gbe to relu
wa gbe skin tight e no wa gbe skin tight ni e no wa anti gbe to we bi ka so beg me not tell me what we are not having you
no pe baje
ogbe nu ha mi enu ponu jepa e pa ogbera poni ne 45 o wiye je bo me bela ogbera ko we 47 we je
mama November na bra kwa 46 ito
okay 46 stroke
46
mama bo
mera ibe dolele fún aweri oni ni akwara ise awa akwa ewa agbe ibe ka we ha medete no
mama we de dioma ye me kinye liquidate na dioma no me ka bege ni o wa liquidate so we 10 times
ye ka orere na ma o ma da sana na ma we ma e gbe sitarita
na baba
opere na Ose be ose o ta ni waka ma we no we gbe je na ma fiti we na
e ba we de no matia
we do de ro ma wu agbero ma se na waju nu taketan
iye
no mati ko e ko wo wa
iye be we are ko we nu pa
no nu ka we kan no pa ore ado mi e go to hin do pepe pa me gwa le gbo
ru da me wa na ko gba no wa gbo kiekie
owo kiekie yen wa je
o iti e me fo o ga iti e me fo ma we ga igwa ni amaji we hidi o mi o pe na de ni abi
o se ga e we am ko no kwa se de na we di mama
ije me e fo ni aga na ko de pe ati e na bere no ba imuno gi akwa tu mo e ma na re ke wa ni ki boda fun me
o ma re ke nu so na we gbeja wubu ya mu mo gi aji mama e bu weta already wo pa en bu gi aji bu wo ni we
na ko gba no
Italy oje mama yen wa be me swagger e mama me swagger hin o gbegbegbe o ma be fa e swagger ni wan le no sha
ina be o di Paris ki we la ko ti yi ko
uwe
iwe ni bo we na me
ibi gbo na me kiege we are ye mi gbe na but it's just that way uri ogo ne e akwa ni we do complain obe me ma gwa lo ni o
no.
so mama no e ke no kere no e no kama we kini e kere no e no kama we ngala la fin yen fin aja we da ku because abi pia na ya rere ya mu eni ati ere ni ya do avio bo jivan because o ngwa mu me o
no le limehia le legi me imalako gba no mo do ri e yo do gba wo ku ba ari me ba ma number 1
awun yen gba lo ma no tin yen second wife
so okay that bomb imani de yo gba no to okay yes is a yes no is no
now
and number 2
ago oge ni pa wa ka ma ni awu hin ato oge ma e
maybe we supermarket I don't me where ori imani go bia ni
mama ma be like go bia ni
anything we agu go be iwu je be have ho imeti be happy we na koko we imameti o okeke ire di awo ego ami mi na be bo ko ma woda fun we ti we pe ire ni ana
o ti asie me nu
malaka o gba no to ge ato number 2 o gbe aku wa agui gba na mu are awa efo awa ti eti on hello sister o na be ton
oni o piano ni nye bo ku we malaka piano ni nye be na go ku abi oni nye gbege ma na o me no do awa aka me o be no ko ni ata lo amu da me o dia ye chele lo ko ni aya lo kore de ye do nwa amu ti o ye la o ise awe no da me o da me o dia o fe ke no e po te wo ku okay we get toge ni we get pa toge we ta ma ene ni we give me we gwalo abi
in short, when we are confused with the one no need.
Okay, confused, you know why we mo pa. We mind that they on way they answer a question in later.
Yeah.
Okay, only me we kwejo, wo hia ni nyon e ma family we ya kana. What we wa not no ko pa no wa gba ni yen gbelege be jem ni e gbelege mama ma e. No be to come when we to say mama back where.
No do we ka we the mama na ke no wa se we pe.
And the mama fall in love with me again ni. Uma dion mama believe me motama we na we katonia. Uma dion. Mama we dien kia uma dion we dien kia.
Di ma uria. Iye ko no dia, iye ko ye lele. U me ti tama o na.
We dien kia mama ko.
So when are you she when no? It respect to worry we dey about the question.
The age is number. Open P-square already na P-square no pe 8 years o ya the P-square. But here you wrote it today.
But the P-square tell me no work be man ya. Where to tell me no work be my mama. A P-square tell me no work be man. And the P-square be dey romantic. A P-square be dey romantic pa. A P-square dey romantico. Ya here ya end dey romantic be picture wa when e wa dey romance le mama na enu wa do gbo ye ya no karo bi e regbe.
Me wa like romantic o mala dey romantic be ri e. Mo to bo we wa le ule. Amala dey romantic wa ile.
Ogun mala dey romantic o kian yen je o. A be boy.
Ya mi me
Okay, Eripa.
One lie. Na me de more come away. we.
Okay, ohara yo we ya kanapa.
Ona ware, or tell me what here. When me ya be, when me here go here, when me here we look here, when me here ya you do, when me here ya oh me give back. Oh well. In your hand the pay a 50 ticket there go down.
Okay, I'll see a ticket e go down we gi jo wa. E German.
Mama sa e me here lele. We spend not them we Madrid center of Madrid
I reckon na na me ya be Spain wa re lele ya. Mama won ya.
so no ya ta na no je we ri odi.
Asanson wa ke ye wa agbero mati wa ati egbe.
Nyari.
Wa ati egbe be phone. Wa tele mo le ri megbe wa agbero mati.
Adero mati is star. Adero mati. You true info when my vara ya agwa. Vani ya do pe another mati.
Okay, we have a give him the low down now. We have a woman and do piano geleme romasi be sagin no. The trust where the trusted judgment where mama. So mama weta many another million. How many another can you me sisi ka gwe one before or marry in go give na ho regbe mu me how many no can you awa kan yo me awa kan yo me yet tale me.
Okay, Darana bebe permit no phone number where the besha.
I permit e but e u ka kan yo me ne me mi obo.
We kan yo ne mama de a we kan yo de spa ede.
Kan yo me unu me wo. What's that?
No ba me. Well, wa kan yo ne baba la o wa do ba ya bi ai kuna no.
Igbe wa wo me.
Okay. To start we cut off the man we go.
Okay, o mama agwa. We worry we se gbe nia. Ma de to ta we am e picture mama ba. Oye nwa na, oye wupa. I'll exchange their number. Shall I have me to exchange their bishop, my darling? Mama Dora and the brother Mark 45 Spain. Dora Sophia 47 Italy. Welcome. My people, how na dey? Na so e be o. Oh, that you dey romantic. Yeah, pass it dey romantic. Na so e talk. Nobody know. Nobody know. The time when I first tell am say come o, small girl wey you wan carry so e go make you suffer o. Carry this one wey you dey find small girl, don't tell wey dey my hook up. Say na small girl wey be say e go dey carry, wey go dey see for inside house, e go dey happy. Na e dey find. Tell am say you know if you resist you know if you resist small girls wahala o, then get wahala ipa. Follow your level o. A person a lie say make I carry that one dey talk or where it has to do I. Not be this one wey you dey talk so. So do I no gwa loko no ni san ko gbigbi me na woman. Ina mo pa no ni san gele ko gbigbi. Ige mu ne pa ne ni aga me. Oni gbe no wa avie me ne ki Nigeria re. Dey mo tata o. O wi bi yen ya ne no waro wa avie hiare. Ama egbe pa. E pa na sun eve o. Wa bomere o. Ye ma me gbo na de o. This one. Charger. Take. So na so it be a pie in picture in ene o. Wa where ko bege do like it. So my people na so it be o. Na cleaning now they do for house, they arrange everything. Pa na kon carry you cup come enter inside. How na dey? I hope una enjoy part gist. A pajapa like plate. He say please ask if he can kiss and lick plate. On your waso who one another one empty na own for inside. As whether I go feel lick and none of this licky matter won't they talk so. None of una way not the one Dora Sophia. None of una way not dey that licky level o. If una come say me that they ask person, una not dey talk una own no, now say me that they ask another person whether you dey one. And the wagi we say, abu ba ni gmo na. Una way dey rat and so now una come do and pass. Now una come do and pass o. Anyhow, we person know say go take. You want to enjoy with your wife or you want to enjoy with your woman. Thank you, my brother. So now you know they like they like that carry their two leg go up. They like the climb silly enjoy themselves. Enjoyment na enjoyment, provided you enjoy. Now that one I be the most important thing for inside. Enjoyment na enjoyment. I be my sister. Very, very important. Send that one. A palm a picture in your so banana. tell my mom say what you egu, but this one I advise to most of una wey be men where they find small girls for inside cup. I hope this one we tell you something now. You are hearing it live and direct. To mark 45 spin. If you now come hook up, una go say no, I want a small girl. No, I want a small girl. The speed where this small girl like, can you hold it? Can you resist that speed? Can you hold that speed? Welcome, baby. You're welcome. I'm fine. Yeah. So, hello. How are you? The speed where there's small girl leg, you go feel hold on. Because some small girls, the speed where they their leg not be smart you. If you tell them say, don't worry to na lie, stay one place na lie, they want to be everywhere at the same time. That's where just a never enjoy life. You just enter Europe. You want to tell and say the dream where you get before you come out for Nigeria. Say if I enter Europe, I'll bring my 4 children to Europe. And you wait don't day Europe for almost 20-something years. You want me to carry that kind of person for his house, me not talk about children. What are you talking about? So this is where my advice come in. Most of them way don't like where they ignore my advice where they say, forget that thing, Mama Rita, not be that one where you talk so. I want to be seeing something and I'll be happy. Woman where I go be happy with. There is nothing like single mother. There is nothing like single mother where you don't experience Europe. You know say you be man, you don't pay for Europe where. Carry single mother where you don't sit pay for Europe where. Don't underrate them. They will give you joy. They will give you happiness. They will make you happy. They will respect you. They will love you. Encourage us. Somebody say, kiss daddy, welcome. I say, I should kiss you, welcome. Say, encourage us. I don't feel kiss now. Before I come here, I know the time we take one. I go door, go kiss her. If my husband they enter house, I must first of all go door, go kiss her and tell her, say, daddy, you are welcome, my lovely darling. That time where I come out for here just now, I go do. Now, no, say me like kiss where I don't use until they play. Now, make me see the use and encourage you. Now, I like romance. I like my way they romantic. Now, I go pass. I wa we romantic because all you gbe ya hon you are not ya gbon na gbe romantic. Not be say some people will come say their men no know and they not go teach them. If they follow my way, not see no one. Try make you teach am some not be say so na babiala. You know say you still know teach am not just be the complain person wey dey only complain. But some of our people they like to complain well. Get through I got to say we hear about my dog do abi. I want a Nigerian woman who live in USA. What do you want in USA precisely? Why? Nigerian women are many in USA. But the USA women that is inside this hookup, most of them are for 40 years. You don't exchange their number. Their pictures. Yes. So if I do watch me manania, or when you exchange a picture, when you send a picture, mama go anywhere. Where go any and where in a wow for it. We send off where it get. If you have to be a do wife, vacuum. Yeah, twice you mark and be. Now so it be. Licking of plates na my best. You like it. Now my platform I want on the man, I got many plates for kitchen where I never work. Who want lick them for me? All the plates where they my kitchen I never wash and come and lick all of them. Me I not even bother to use the electricity to put them for washing machine. I live in New York. Oh, you live in New York City. Wow, how is New York today? How is New York today? Oh, mama, you like her? Bravo. I see say you like her. Kiss her for public. May you not the shame. Make we see her. Wisdom, justice. No worry. May come here. Tell her say. Welcome, darling. Now that one you want to see. You go come just now. Go do one. But you never kiss you. Oh, one day make I see her. Oh, Sister Rita, help me, Zimbabwe woman. If I don't get Nigeria woman, may I help you with Zimbabwe woman? There are many for example my couple. You get one way they UK way they. You know, say Zimbabwe women that they get big nyash way. And now we be Nigerian men, especially Igbo men, and they like women we get big uku for back. They get big uku. You just say you go feel resist their uku because their women get big uku. Now uku na job be the something uku we be say we be Nigerian women not carry. Now some of them carry. Uku ogin ya waye le salad yan me uku. E panty na ro pa ajo wu yan o sa zi mai ha. The Nigerian nyash. Who they write nonsense for yes so. The phone one off. Give me that charger, me a charger. Hello. will call me. That thing the something just caught. My lady, make I put charger. Any age, I live in US. What tribe are you, or which country are you from? Hello. Hello, my lady.
Sister Rita.
Oh, how are you?
Good afternoon.
How you doing now?
I did fine, no. You forget my side, though.
I don't forget you. I know say you never really serious like that now.
I seriously, you know now, Sister Rita.
I know say you never. I know say you never serious like that because when I carry husband wey dey Dubai come, you come dey make shakara for me now. I come run. You want arrest me, eh?
See me, I'll go arrest you. Yes, so that when I arrest you, everybody gonna call you where I did. So now they choose how they go.
So if husband not really quick on your side, you arrest me, put.
Yes, so
But I carry husband wey dey Dubai come that day. Now you say you don't want say no gallant.
No, that husband on Dubai, now the powerful husband, oh, sister Rita.
Eh?
Now powerful husband be that one. They agree to all my terms. Those kind of husband are just waiting they want to.
No. That guy be like you, or you disappoint us that day.
No, mommy, my sister Rita, not talk so. When they say that where you never go, you don't know how she die. I know what I need to tell you.
Oh my God! So now Europe husband, you can define so. Now Europe husband, you can define.
America go sweet.
America husband, I become scam me that they were saying them America.
America, anywhere in the world, Sister Rita, I will go there.
Italy, uncle.
I have my passport.
Italy, uncle.
No go area.
You know one for Italy.
No. No.
Italy men are romantic. Oh. They say they are the best romantic men.
I know who want. If they're not them, the only romantic men.
Italy men are very romantic.
Igualo.
You know what? What about Spanish men? That Epa we call just now in Spain. They see the way they romantic with that lady.
Epa we call just now. I don't get woman now. I want to tell you give.
You say? I don't hear you. Network.
Sister dey Spain. She be 45. Not my sister, but my good friend. She be 45.
Your good friend for Spain.
Yeah.
How old she be?
She be 44. She never married.
But me they ask whether you go like Spain husband.
Yes, why not? When you go see why? You get where she did Spain. She know she said Spain. She know they say that she know they choose, but one thing I respect and love, like you they preach about her for your platform. You know?
But you now you they select, you they find the one way man way gallant. Now they problem this. Man gallant men. Now person they made the gallant. Now that will be the wala too. I know wala no real.
I know they find gallant like that. You know what? This man, Sister Rita, you know, this man, he said he never born. He like me. Me, I get born. I get children. Do you understand me?
No, the one way never born not good for you. It not good for you.
Huh?
The one way never born not good for you. It good me don't me said don't born.
I want the one way don't born like me. Where you know the meaning of children.
Exactly.
The one way never born.
Now 2 children you get, Abi.
Yes, so 2 lovely children. So now the one way born, I mean want.
No worry. Now sugar daddy you define be small way they would pass you.
You don't talk sugar daddy. No,
That's because you never ready.
Sugar daddy. No sugar daddy now, the old one who don't advance. No be say money matter. Sugar daddy, where go get respect for me? When I will get respect for, then the money will come small.
Okay, I get one for Spain, 64 years, where they find small girl. You na 38, he na 64.
If na America, I go.
Okay, now you say you want to relocate.
Canada.
You want to relocate.
Yes, so London not me.
No wahala. I go let you know.
But
I'll let you know. I'll call one for you. Meet work na talk.
okay, mommy. Again, what should I want to tell you? I beg, not my very good friend. They look for a day Spain. No, I beg.
If they look for
I will
waiting,
send you a picture.
what should they look for?
She dey look for hook up now, man for Spain. She never born.
How old she be?
44, yeah. She's 43, 44.
She never born
But she has not
44.
given- No. She be
Now, wow.
43, 44. Now God they give pikin and better husband. You know? She
Now
never
I
born.
good. Tell her may she come in and tell her may write me for inbox. May drop a message for my inbox. I'll
Okay,
see
I
and
will
go
give her your
reply.
number.
Anytime where I can't
Okay,
there,
I
I'll
will
come
give her
reply.
her name. She will tell you her name.
She will tell me her name by herself for inside inbox. Yeah. She will tell me her name by herself for inside inbox.
Today. You don't make my day, oh.
Abi o. Okay, later. Ciao. So my people, now so it be. This lady is 38 years old. She get 2 children. She dey for UK. I get the many like that to women where get children, you know. But most of una you see ule yo welere ija no mo e pa just now. Iran come back. Iran come back. The time when I tell her say pa no follow small girl so that you go get peace. Say pa dey almost 45 years. The woman when I give my bill I say na 31 years dey. I tell her say you no go get peace so you go trouble your life, you know here. So now where they find old men, where they find young girls, I tell you pa don't give una. You don't give una small sense make una take no now. Say even na say baba TJ. Hello.
Hello?
Yo.
Yeah. Good.
How you dey?
I did fine. I did enjoy you. Although I did work, but I did enjoy you.
You dey enjoy the program, eh?
You did make the work a bit smooth for me.
I know they hear you, Oga. Come on your earpiece. Me we for hear you.
I did hear you. Can't you hear me? You did hear me now?
You will put your phone for speaker if not so. Make her for hear.
Are you hearing me now?
Yes, now I can hear small.
Okay, I say you are here. I say I'm enjoying you.
Okay, thank you.
You they made the work the day smooth for me now.
You say?
I say you they make my work the day smooth they go.
They make your work the day fun, the fast they go.
Yeah, you they make on the smooth, the fast they go.
Abi? Now so it be.
Well done, eh?
Well done, sir.
Thank you. So, but although maybe you will recollect who they talk anyway. But
I know who they talk.
That lady that just dropped now, eh?
That lady where you drop, Nana.
Yes.
You like her?
Okay. I did interested, so I don't know.
How many children you get?
Yeah, I get 3.
Sumahin. I say how many children you get?
3.
Okay, 3 children. Your age, you can not quit see your age.
Oh, he's there.
Let me see. Oh, he's not there. I didn't save it. I think you're around 50.
Yes, he's 50. I'm by August 52.
By August, you'll be 50.
2.
52, now that kind of got that they say they fine. He get 2 children.
Yeah.
Make I call her.
Yeah, you are free. You can call her.
Okay, wait, make I call her.
Okay.
Wait, make I call her. May I tell you how they want a relationship.
Okay, no problem.
Just hold on.
Okay.
1 minute. Hold on. Hold on, make I bring the number come out. Hold on, may I bring the number come out. Now afternoon hook up, we can't use that enter. We will come and move. To put it in the other phone. Charming. okay, no man. Yes, so, yes, so, yes, so. It's a cleaning day for me. A walking, cleaning, and arranging house day. I'm 32 years, but I need a man from 38 to 40. If you are in USA and you are here for hookup, you don't know yourself at all. Why? My brother, you think say the way it is easy for you to enter street to the find woman, I saw everybody. I don't like the way some of you talk. Hello, Sister Lisa, how are you?
Fine.
You hear say
I think
that man as they talk just now, somebody suffering there behind the camera, he was watching attentively and listening attentively. Did you hear me?
yes, I'm hearing you.
So the man come dey listen to you. As he listen finish, he can't say he get interest, make two of una talk. So I don't bring am come here. They listen to you.
Okay.
So Oga talk to am.
Yeah. Good afternoon, madam.
Your phone not just loud, Oga. I don't know well.
What? Sorry, sir. My name is Lisa.
Okay.
Sir, what is your name, sir?
My name is Edobo Victor.
Edobo.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Victor.
Where are you?
Edobo
Where do
Victor.
you stay?
No, wait,
Where
oh.
do you live?
Wait, not do one like police interview. First of all, talk your own. Say, hello, I am Lisa. I live in the UK.
Oh, I said it
I have
already,
2
oh.
kids. I come from this village, so village.
Lisa. I live in the UK.
Genau.
Okay, good. So,
And I have 2 kids.
yeah, good.
Son.
From, yeah, I'm Mr. Edobo Victor from, I live in Sweden here.
Okay, you live in Sweden, Oga.
Yes.
Okay.
So, I have 3 kids.
You have 3 children.
Yes, they are in Nigeria.
I don't even know why Oga phone on your head this afternoon. Hello.
Hello, can I
Hello,
call
I'm
you back?
hearing you.
Are you hearing
I'm
him?
hearing you. I'm hearing you, mommy.
No, I know you are hearing me, but are you hearing the guy, Lisa?
Yes, I'm hearing him.
Oh, you are hearing him. Okay, Oga, continue to talk. He said they hear you.
Okay, great. So I'm from Edo State. So I live in Sweden here. I really need at least a serious relationship, somebody who cares, somebody who is serious, not a woman who simply wants.
Hey, Pa, may you stand, may person hear you. Oh God.
Hello.
Wait, may I call him? I don't know whether make I call you back. Wait. My lady, wait, may I call him back? He say na work he did just now. He voice just low. I know they hear him at all. And I don't like that. Wait, let me call him back. Let me call him back. Maybe go hide this time.
Mommy Rita.
Yes, my
Mommy
darling.
Rita.
Ew.
But I know one place for Swiss, like America or Canada.
Now by that one, what if you not come see man for America or Canada? You come in.
Hello.
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 Mommy,
Can you hear me on this now?
Yes,
yes,
she's
I'm
hearing you.
Wait.
Okay, great. So actually, I named a serious relationship, somebody who really want to settle down, not those who are looking for maybe, I don't know, but I need a serious relationship. So, but when you speak before, I think I look you like someone who is really serious. So after you speak, I have interest, so that is why I call her to really just, express my feeling to her. So I was happy that he called me back.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah.
I'm having you, no problem.
I will talk to Mommy Rita. Then she will get back to you.
You see, way ready now. Wait, you cook bagba. Wait, want to carry you put for head. Wait, your legs don't go reach ground. You are looking for America.
But Mommy Rita,
I'll get back to you, Miss.
So I will talk.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. You say waiting.
I'll talk to you one-on-one. I said I need to talk to you one-on-one now, not on her.
Okay, no problem. Don't worry. All right. I'll be here so that you can talk to me when I finish the video.
Yes,
Talk to
I'll
me
call
well.
you.
Tell me better thing. Wait, good.
One-on-one.
Wait, sweet. Well.
Okay, ma. I'll call you. We'll talk one-on-one after 1 hour, that.
Yeah. Somebody say, na Canada dey your eye. Na Canada dey here. Canada and America be. Do you know that inside hookup, Canada men no, they're not too many like that for hookup. Canada men not so many in Canada. Why are you people running away from hookup? Is it that you have a way of? I know they quickly see you now for hookup. Happy weekend at work, Mr. Kasim. You're at work, right? I'm also working. I'm at home. Men not too many for hookup for Canada. Even US, they are not very many. That's why if US man come or Canada, I want to really settle down to make sure that they are real. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
I greet you. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good morning. How you dey?
I'm good evening. Thank God.
No.
Then I follow up for hookup. My hookup, I never give it to me.
You say?
My hookup.
Now hookup you call for? Now wow, guy, your voice just sounds strong. How old are you?
44 years.
44.
Yeah.
How many children you don't born?
My
4 kids.
Yeah.
Wow, congrats. Meaning you go see carry woman where don't born reach 4 now.
I think my way was born.
You need woman where go still born.
But 2.
And 4 men you oga.
2. I think my way was born 2.
Hey. Ebaneke. Woman where go still born 2. Wait 2 of una go gather day here. They enjoy my children.
Yes.
For Germany.
Yeah, for Germany.
But now the one where you want me second wife, you define.
For Germany, yeah.
I said that the one where you want make second wife, you define. They go beat me. Oh.
No, not the second wife. The first wife.
Now first wife, you define.
The one we go stay.
The one where go do waiting.
The one we go stay.
Where go stay.
The one we gonna stay, yes.
Wow. So single mother for Germany, where they find husband. You na say husband don't come. Where you dey now, my brother? You dey around Munich area?
No. I did for SA area.
You dey for Essen? You get work?
Yes, I get work.
Now wow.
I work, I get the back.
You get paper too?
Yeah.
Many documents dey, everything dey.
Everything is bomb.
Everything make balaka. You get house? Abi?
Yeah. Yes.
I not trust you, Oga. I don't know why I don't fit trust you now.
Why not? Tell me why.
Now only God come know.
Okay, you don't know.
Me no know. My man just dey tell me say you dey joke.
No, I'm serious. I'm definitely serious.
For how long you and your woman no dey now? I know dey find
Get to
problem.
3 years now.
3 fucking years.
Yeah.
I'll fair do fasting and praying, but I'll look for woman for you, but I'll fair put her for prayer.
Okay, no problem. Tell me the day we're gonna put up a prayer and we're gonna pray together.
Okay, you want join me for the prayer and fasting?
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry, I know they carry people take the do one. I dey do one by myself. If I carry people take do one, they go spoil my prayer point for me. I dey do one by myself.
Yeah.
So you really single, Oga?
Yes, sir.
How many one content know this one?
You will know now. What you give me better one.
May I give you better one? Write me for WhatsApp. If you write me for WhatsApp, I see your picture. I'll constantly see your I'll, you know, my husband will call you for video call. He go see you where we say now you did that picture. Before we will come talk and yeah. All this one way they call for yes, since the day my hook up, I don't feel know them. Now people when I know. You when I never know, now I need to do investigation. You say?
I've heard it before.
You fed the hook up?
Well, there's one way you always do for me before now. That one go for now.
Ah, what? Why you not use your real WhatsApp number? Take call me. Make I know who you be.
I'll call you for WhatsApp.
The WhatsApp number when me and you take communicate before. Use and take call me.
Not with me, but I'll say you.
Not be just use and call me.
Okay.
Use and take call me. Me I know they talk.
No shaky activity.
Thank you. No.
Okay.
Lisa Jones say I like the guy. How many guys you want even like, say? Eh? How many guys you want even like? I don't know. Hello. Oh, you say that is Domo. Domo like you say, yati we ban. You are meeting yati we ban. Yati we break baby, I finish it ban. Hello. My lady, how you dey?
I'm there for you. Good afternoon. Surprised to see you online, though.
You surprised to see me online this afternoon?
This afternoon.
Now so it be oh.
I don't see on my phone. I see say this is my day. When they with that Epa they talk with that lady.
Epa eh? Okay, when me Epa they gossip.
Yeah. That is good though.
Now so it be.
Don't forget me. I know say I newly start.
I never forget you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Okay, you say you newly start, eh? You newly enter our hookup, now you mean?
Yes, now. You know, so that last month, I be this month, now I enter now.
Some people, they come, the very first day when they come, they will quick get hookup. It depends, cha. At times, na law.
Yeah, I will follow you, but I no register for this WhatsApp.
Ah.
Yeah, now that last week, I be last month, now I me register.
I see him. I don't see your name.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you.
This my lady, which country you dey again just now?
France, France.
You dey France, yes.
Yes.
You dey France, 52 years for France.
France. Yes.
52 years old. So if you know, say yourself now see advanced man, wait, be say he like advanced women. Women wey don't see wetin be life, wey don't advance, wey sabi cook beans, sabi cook rice, sabi cook jollof. Agidi jollof said the sabi cook, and not be all the small guys wey no even sabi if they cook beans, you know they don't.
Romantic man, no.
Romantic man, abi?
Man of speaking truth.
A man of speaking truth and a caliber man. Wow.
Not a vegetable man, no.
You know, I know, no, God forbid, vegetable husband, no, it's not for you.
Me too, I know WhatsApp, oh.
I know now, why you wrong? I'm married, you see they were. So now you're waiting mama talk, you know they find vegetable husband, not they find husband where not sabi talk true. A truthful man, a real man, a correct man wey know what's up. Now you say you define.
We go plan our life ahead to stay together.
Yes.
You understand me?
A man where they talk true, a speaking true man. Not be man where they not they see true for a man to.
I'm a man that love a mother. If you say have and sisters, any man will love sister, love mother, he will love the woman that they have.
Yes.
You understand? I know one man where be say go they carry phone, they dodge up and down.
Not be man where go they carry phone, go they add for toilet, God forbid.
Yes.
Any toilet husband in this hookup will rebuke them 2021.
Yes, Holy Ghost fire.
Holy Ghost fire. Every toilet husband in my hookup, I reject them this 2021 in Jesus' name. I rebuke them in Jesus' name. I return them back to sender in the name of Jesus. Amen.
I love Benin men,
You love Benin men?
Yeah, I love Benin men.
What make you like them? Madam, talk true. Encourage us. What make you like them?
Yes, my late husband was from Benin, Igba. From Igba.
Okay, Igba, from Igba, for Benin.
Yes,
Ew.
yes, I love Benin men. They know how to take care of their women.
Oh. Your
I
late
love
husband
this
was really taking good care of you.
very well, very
Yeah.
well, very well.
I
love
hope you
them
will
so
see
much.
another man, another Benin man where you go see they take care of you like your late husband.
Yes, so that is what I'm hoping for. That is
Don't
what
worry.
I'm hoping for.
He go come one day.
Amen.
He go come one
Amen.
day. Man, we go treat you the way you see now. You see, it's good to be good though. Your husband leave better legacy for grand now. Now better legacy now he leave.
Too much.
Because the people where they talk say I not the find Benin man, not the find Benin man. More na come see correct another Benin woman where they say na Benin man na they find no other person because he let husband leave better legacy for grand. You see, it's good to be leaving good legacy.
Yeah, I'm from Delta. I'm from Delta.
And you are a Delta woman and the Benin man treated you nicely. Wow. May the soul of your husband rest in perfect peace.
Amen. Benin men are the best.
Benin men are the best. Wow. So Benin men where they may hook up, or you submit yourself forward.
Men are come out.
Men na come out for anywhere where you dey. Are you romantic, mama? Are you romantic?
Very, very romantic. You know now, me I know what's up.
Wow. That is super.
I'm so much romantic. I know everything.
You know everything where they happen for inside romance.
Everything.
Bravo. So
So I need a man, good man.
yes.
You understand?
Correct man. Brava, mama.
Yes. At least when you don't have your own children finish, me too, I don't have my own children finish. So we would enjoy our life. We travel, you know.
Yes.
Together.
Now
We
they enjoy
plan
together.
our
They
old
travel
age.
up and down together. Now that kind one you can't define.
Yes, we plan our old age together.
For which
You
country?
understand?
What if you not dey France?
Anywhere.
Okay, what if you come dey Nigeria?
Nigeria, hey, I'm not fit to my sister.
You not like the men wey dey Nigeria. Some of them they like Europe women wey don see advance. So.
They like, but how would they call phone before I go home?
Now that one be the wahala wey dey.
I not trust them so much because I don't trust them. I prefer the one move and they here. We don't see life for here.
Wey don see Europe life, wey no go to see well okpe this, see well okpe mila.
Where you understand me, my sister?
Yes.
We don't understand life for here. Say life not difficult. It's difficult for here.
Yeah.
The Nigerian people, they don't know anything. They feel say we dey pluck money for here.
Now that one all the women they run for now.
No. I prefer the one when they here. We know everything about Europe.
All right.
You understand me, my
Wahala
sister?
no dey. So una see now say a pack go, he come back come collect 47 years old berry lady. Where still
And
dey?
if he collect a grape,
You say?
he collect grape before.
Na he go collect grape before.
He don't pass that stage before.
He don pass that stage now.
Hey.
Ah.
Okay, there's
Not be when grape come dey tell am say make he go bring I tell am say panaberry be your size. He say na lie o, late berry. Even the one wey don dey go avocado. He say na lie o. He say na grape he dey find. When grape come tell am now say they never even start, make begin dey send money. Na he pack come dey find where he wan run enter.
He come. That is good for him. How can a tag go dey find small girls?
I don tire.
Small girls, they are still jumping. They never jump finish.
They never jump finish. Osabala awo egwu ege ya me jump.
They are still jumping. So now I don't come back. I pity him, sha.
I pity him o.
Okay.
He don't come back.
He get person like you. Where they say you know what you are doing.
I know what I'm doing. No, if they come, if I see say the way they tell the talk, I go advise them. Say, come, Oga, you go remember me.
Yeah, this short time when I tell you, all my heart they make me jolly.
It will make you jolly.
No, be slow. I know say my own go come out from your side.
He go come.
Good
Oh.
one.
And the day where they come, na life and direct, because they do one like this.
In Jesus'
That mama
name.
where they 69 years old, where we hook up with that a power of 72 that time. Two of them, they Abuja together now. They call me together which day? Yes. Yes.
59. Yeah, they talk my own 52. I just say you don't live.
No, 69. He and the pastor free day together. They sit down for outside. They sit down cross leg. They will suffer call me. We will still discuss. Two of them, they need the man come on for he place. He be like say na Where he dey again now? All these people from Port Harcourt area. He come out, he go meet the woman for Abuja. Two of them will suffer sit down. They their balcony for Abuja sit down. They gossip. Now they call me and sit there for video. I say, "Now God will bless you." Never lose hope in this life. Never lose hope in this life.
Once you call your age for the all this session comment, they say, "What is 52 years old? 62 years
No,
old?"
they don't understand. They don't know say that kind of love take the sweet, mama. They don't feel understand.
They don't know. Amen.
They don't know. They think say now only the way young now get love.
Yeah, I can't move forever. I'm not. 12 years is okay for me to look for another man.
It's okay. You try. You try.
Yeah, I tried.
You try very, very well.
Please, I'm still waiting for my own. Oh.
Your own will land. It will come, and you will be happy. You will be happy.
Jesus' name.
Amen.
Yes.
So,
Amen. Thank you.
you are welcome. Hello.
Hello.
Ew.
Hello.
Ew.
Hello. I'm searching for a husband.
Na me, oh, who did that?
Na me.
Oh, Shobe, who is that?
Joy.
How far?
I do. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon. How about dinner?
I do fine. How you say?
I do. Women, you come out this afternoon. Why be say I not the see you now for night?
Night now, this sleep. No say we work.
I not the see you now for night. It be like say I come to do this call for afternoon. Women, you come out oh. Hey. And una way date this hook up. Una way be women. The men they need una well. They not they use una matter till they play with person.
I found husband too. I found husband.
The first.
Husband, serious.
Okay, not be even boyfriend. You dey find a husband, abi?
Husband to be, no boyfriend again. No.
Husband to be.
Be.
The one where go do the right thing.
Yes. Because they say baby, and they say daddy.
Okay, the one where you they call daddy. Wow. Super. Eh? Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Okay, wait oh. The daddy age where you define now how old?
Like 30 years, 31, 32.
Now 30 years you define where you want call daddy so.
Yes, now you still get level more now. Now that one already said 26 not be daddy.
You sure say if you call 30 years daddy, go answer?
You go answer me now. I go there romantic fast now.
How old you be?
28.
You get children?
No, I not get children.
So you be chassis, abi?
Eh?
I said na chassis you be. They never come out you for packet. You never born.
No, I see the packet.
Call me. All this men who inside this hook up where need you.
No problem. I hook me for one.
Which tribe you be?
Me, I be Calabar.
Hey, you come be Calabar joiner. Wahala dey this house today oh. Wahala dey this house today oh. Men wey dey my hook up, this Calabar lady wey call so who go run am? Serious suitor. A suitor who is ready to pay price. A suitor who is ready to pay price. Not be the one wey be say he want to, God forbid, every spirit of eating people of Belefon running away 2021 is a lie.
Amen.
I be my lady.
Yes, sir.
So you na 28, you never born.
No, I never come.
So which kind of man you define? What is your ideal man? So that all these men where they may hook up, they will come out.
Like, man, make go dey responsible. Make so.
Man, wait, tall.
Yes.
You sure say you done ready?
Because me not so. Me I short.
You not tall. You define the one way go complete you for height.
Yes. Yes.
Baneke. Then which other one?
As in, she go dey romantic.
You go there romantic. A romantic in a mama ritamure now. Yari ami wa with social media. So the one, if you not the romantic now, you not go manage them.
I'll teach her.
You will teach her if you not the romantic, abi?
Yes, I'll teach her.
Now Italy there you for the final.
No, not Italy. I'm not Italy. I did France. Because na Italy, WhatsApp at AU.
Okay, now France you dey.
Yes.
So na France man you define man where dey France.
No, not be man made different though. Outside France, like.
So if you know say you dey my hook up, you tall. You go tall, abi?
Yeah, you go tall. No, too tall like logo.
You know, too tall like logo.
No.
Eh. You go see the romantic.
Yes.
I got one black guy with the romantic, with the man hook up. He say the romantic well. In France, he na Benin boy. He tall, he black, he slim. And they call him Big Joe. You want me to call Big Joe for you?
Okay. Let me see.
Eh?
Let me see picture.
You want to see picture? Me don't know your own. The number where you take a picture, not the.
I'll send that for you.
If I don't get your picture, I not the give person your picture. Unless say you want to run, and they call him Big Joe.
Okay, may I talk to run another year voice test?
May you hear his voice. May you see whether you want him.
Yes.
This me not believe say Italian women are the fine husband.
Now the France women, me are the fine husband now. Me are the France, and I'm France at this state.
Where you there for France?
Me, I did them.
Eh? Now Benin you be?
No, I didn't speak Benin, they are not be Benin.
Where do you be?
Me, Calabar.
Calabar. Hey! A Big Joe who never put where there now. You go there for your aunt today. Oh. Hello. I said Big Joe go die for your aunt today.
No, you know that.
Ma,
You know that. Oh, wherever. Big Joe, I say you dey wash.
you say waiting?
We're washing, mama. Are you washing?
I'm not. I can't lie to you, I'm not.
I don't have a wife come Calabar girl say na 28 years old the day France he never born. If they find man where he slim, where he tall, maybe you go see black and you slim, you tall, you black. Now say me I go carry you come for am.
Everywhere good, oh, thank you very much.
Everywhere good well, eh?
Too much appreciate you. You want to keep my loneliness.
Yes. She there here, may you talk to her. What it be your name? What it be your name?
My name is Blessing.
Blessing.
My name is Joel.
Your name na Joel.
Wow, very lovely name.
Very lovely name. You tell her say
She will be a
Big
blessing
Joe.
to my life.
You will say Big Joe.
Thank you.
Which city you did for France?
Me, Luxembourg. Luxembourg.
Lou wetin?
Luxembourg.
You.
Luxembourg na France dey.
Luxembourg na France e dey.
Eh.
The border between France and Germany.
Baneke, where it is Odoa? You go fit go that side?
The Luxembourg are we here.
Na Luxembourg e dey o.
Luxembourg is France in here. Luxembourg is what no.
Mentana, I win France or win Luxembourg. Where you dey, my lady? They can go mobile waje wo.
Na Luxembourg dey stay, but I just come visit for France.
Okay, now Luxembourg you dey say you can't visit France. I dey use Italian number.
Yes, because Italian number now.
You be international.
Yes, I best say Italy.
International girl.
Yes, I just keep the number because of say my friends they call me.
Eh?
But yeah, because my friend now this number they don't get my France number.
You now come make I tell you. You sure say you dey find husband? You sure say you dey find husband? Now use Big Joe to play. Wait, oh, I'm not hearing you. Let me put it on speaker. Not be to talk for Mark say I dey find husband. I don't like what I ate. Wait, me I put on for. Oh, this is my phone. I don't know. You say? I don't hear you.
Hello, they hear me now.
I dey hear you now. You say waiting.
I said they look for husband.
You dey look for husband.
Yes.
You sure say husband not dey Luxembourg for there?
If you're not they look for husband, now no call your contact now.
You know come here come talk. Okay. How you can say make Big Joe come take the come Luxembourg now? You know na France you want stay permanently. I be you dey waka comot.
You go they come. Me go they come they see him.
Okay, you go dey come France.
Yes.
Egbani we gwalo Abijo.
The my boy can't live permanent. Here now we am a Bay Luxembourg. My bar would be relocate, but now plan and so the most important thing. Now serious in Miami now.
You like Benin me?
No, I be better I like Benin. I like all the old countries. So back you want me go there good.
We go dey good, we go dey romantic, we go dey care of you.
Yes.
Ebaneke. So we tamae ni aben we gbe e. Tamae, Big Joe.
Hello, blessing.
Sir.
I don't believe in talking much. Actions speak louder than voice. I really need you as a wife, but I don't like distance relationship. I want somebody who will be compatible, that will be close to me, that I can share my feelings with, and we adore and do everything for. That's the kind of person I want to be. Since your name is Blessing, you will be a blessing and inspiration to my life.
And he can speak good English. Are you not hearing him?
Yes, I hear.
Ebaneke. So that is it. Do you want me to exchange your pictures?
Yes.
You want to see how lanky he look on picture?
Yes.
Don't worry, I'll do it now. So Bijo, you have to send me your picture.
Ma.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Send me your picture on WhatsApp. Let me send to Big Joe.
Okay.
All right. I'm waiting. Big Joe, wait, me say picture come. All the small guys where they my hook up, all of them don't they come out. Why be say na afternoon? Okay, I don't get their pin code though. Avant yami hona wa. Ami wabason. I know the see una they call inside we call for night. Baneke. I don't get una pin code. Hello.
We have another lady in France.
Hey, wait, make I put her for speaker. Oh, me una wait now. Una they do the phone in here. Hello. Are you there? Baby, how should I put this phone on speaker now? It's not working. Cookman. Help me.
On and off it, maybe.
Eh? Oh, let me off it and on it again. Then it go work. Big Joe, how are you?
Hello, ma.
Oh.
Ma.
Why?
Ite wala ko Bukana, but don't stay here, France. Yeah, now we in Italy now, in Luxembourg, in France. Me magi understand the vanibo.
Oma we in Italy, we no be Italy in Louis France. In France do tuoma, e Luxembourg in je. Get it na. Eh? Idiota ban. So when we je we have
Baby, if Luxembourg is very far.
Luxembourg. I'm a been off here and I malake who no me be we malake who no tiki out here. No do biejo. Ave no divie. Ave no divie Calabar biejo. Vie Calabar win here. My vie Calabar any agbe.
This girl is in France.
Eh. If that one not send picture come just now, mo pa no wa be dare na 30 years. Chai. I wa be yero murumu with France oje. E France.
Mini lucky me wa shani be na so lo bua we ni call.
We ma tebe si ma ye line.
Does he want a woman with a child?
You must say where you land it all drop it. Me wo wo fi aba won send the picture.
Okay, we are going me I'll send the picture resin gbe. This one good. Wa mo gbe nu wa ya omo do a. Wa ya vie picture go me mo ri wa. Eh mo ri wa. Abi pe na ri wa. Ah. Una the picture come for me, not be later you come say mama, you not fine rich, you not sweet rich, you not straight rich, you not tall rich. I don't they like all those one. Not be me one marry you now. Picture one that they bring up for me, na make sure say if I carry husband come na carry you. Now only that one job be my own for his side. Ah. Don't be say the time where I can't take carry my account. I can't say I don't like this one. I don't like that one. His nose is too like that girl that day. I say his nose is too flat. How can you say a person nose is too flat? You say I don't want make my children know to come flat. That's why it's a sign of non-seriousness. Where worry or send a picture of where one you ban. On a back here, we give away. You couple not back here when you got done. You say, "Greg one 7 or yari."
Did you want something?
Eh. Greg one say, "Go for one or yari." You who on a back here, we give away.
Your WhatsApp is
Lao, when we come a package, no more your Meveya.
Where? Na go a package ene. A package you talk on na. A package can go and ya go ya go hotel. Beno yari ni waga kanyo me. Yigi tayo to kan. On another day you go couple no.
This can matter. You want provoke me so.
La here we do. Wa me picture is ban.
Where?
Wa me picture is ban. Yigi tayo to kan.
Mama, you don't fair work for ordinary grant for me. Now Slim Joe, you dey talk to.
I know. Nothing now, baby, nothing now because ke ugo e gwa so tebe no de ma ho ugo egbe bu me ade imi oboy mu na. Ma. O ma o.
Hello, o send the ene.
O ami e ban. Now they even they see comments. Somebody was calling that phone before safe. Somebody said, please make una speak pidgin. Now pidgin with this. We don't okay, we don't speak pidgin. We they speak English. All this my Uko people. Huh? Slim Joe, no mind now, eh? You say whether you don't work for ordinary grant for me before. How does one way come the idiot thing do it because in winner? Why go once a minute the tell woman waiting the sweet town will not be safe and I don't do call finish. You know, submit a woman waiting the sweet town, you can't put a blood pressure for my body. I know they find that kind one. If not, I'll give up for this call. Oh, hello.
Long time. How's the testimony? Long time.
Testimony now you want to testify?
Yes, so.
Oh, you testify now. Why you can't throw away me? Why not throw away me?
I don't throw away you. My big mama. You dey life?
I dey life. What happen? Are you fine?
No, I don't fit talk for life.
Okay, but you want to testify. You not fit talk for life.
Nah.
They don't give you belly.
No. I don't. After them, when we say that level happen now, we hook me up.
Me, I feel come out before you can't talk with blah blah for inside life. Talk on now. I know they talk, eh? Wow. Really? Come on. No, I don't like this kind of talk. You see another man for my comment section and he want to go do introduction. Is this one a good testimony for me?
We go call you. I tell her me call you. Say go call you.
So now my comment section now they want me I enter me I home live video me I come up when I come they do call by myself. Yeah, Bobby Sinonyako. If is it you that did this to me? You that me I love very well.
No. You know, say I dey go school now. They busy. Try my work don't come back.
So you saw him on my comment section. So very soon we go and pay bride price. Tell him to come and pay my price first.
We will reward you soon. If you come back, so I'll call and we will conference. We'll talk.
Tell him, oh, if not, I will enter my spiritual room and make sure I spoil everything. You hear me?
No. Okay, but take care. But see, say they left. Now they watch you.
Okay.
So that's good.
You see what they are doing? Now when you see husband for my comment section, now not come meet me. The way Ufamate confess this afternoon, you not come confess like that. The Lord is watching you, and I will enter my spiritual room now where I don't get pin code. I will go and pray against it. Marriage not go work. Because me where they come platform come sit down every day. I will talk and talk and talk and talk and talk. My mouth, my throat go dry. Some of you will be calling me thief. Some of you go they call me 419. Some of you go say I get long throat. Some of you go say I too like money. But now money me they take care of myself. Oh. Ordinary body cream where they use, I know how much. Where I come sit down for here, take talk. I know how much I even the teeth where they my mouth, so I know how much I take organize and arrange and where you find like this. But you now can't tell me say me like money too much, I be thief. You now can't they also for assignment. If I don't open this platform, you will see where for hustle. Not to talk of say you want come also see husband where you want go pay bride price. Me never even I marry Lalobo way. Agwa. Ya moto gouverne nous get dori Lalobo me forma. Moi dore nous get Lalobo me.
Hello.
Hello,
Mama, not vexing. I'm just called me just now. I don't see the picture.
You say?
You don't see the picture.
Okay, now your France number you take us so. She use. Now she be that. You use France number take us yeah. You say same picture. Now this number you take send the picture come.
Okay.
Yeah, this number I take us.
You sure say the way you just find like this, you not get husband. I want to see you for video. Yeah, show me your face. Let me see the picture and see your face. This one not be you. This one be like saying a Kenyan woman.
No, not me.
Oh yeah, put it on video. I want to see your face. I don't have time. I don't have time to waste. Put it on video.
Because in a live video, say not be live video.
Not be live video. You won't push and now only me won't see the face. Let me see your face.
I hope you don't show for live video.
I not go show her for life. Me want see her whether the picture where you send me now you really there inside.
Not me.
If you not show me, I not do your hookup.
Okay, Mama, if you do for the live video, come me and show you my face.
Me, I dey request you now. Now only me want see you. Not be live for they watch me so. Put it, let me see you. Whether now you be this fine girl. This one will be like model. Wait, they picture so. You the fine husband. Not come put big joke for problem.
No, I said that me, not me.
Okay, since you know answer right, if I finish video, I'll call you.
No problem.
I will call you. Somebody say make we see her. No, I know show na no na see her. But it's fine, well. But I'm not sure. I don't know whether na in there. So I'll first see her for video because all this. Hey, all these Europe women now, I don't understand the. Some of them are even becoming more trickish than the men self. Yes. So somebody say she never make up. Now I cause her where she not fit show her face. No. Not be that one. Hello.
Hello, the network you were for trade.
The network you were with him on him.
Or for trade.
Or for straight.
Or wave.
You not their house.
Ma?
Where oh one? You not their house.
No, I go visit my friend.
If you do, you go see her. I don't send you the picture.
I did already.
Hello.
Hello, Mother-in-law. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you, my data girl?
I'm fine. You don't scam the women of this.
I got to scan the women too. Oh. This my investigation is not only for the men. Now, even the women will be investigating you people. You must show me your face. If you send me your picture, you must show me your face. I must see your face to know whether now you really there inside. If not, I will not. Yes, now. You know, say I don't see different things for now. The picture where this one saying, the way it take fine for that picture, that time woman say they find husband. God forbid, but I don't believe it.
Majority of the need deliverance.
They need deliverance. They need to be delivered from the spirit of running up and down. I said they need to be delivered from the spirit of running up and down.
Yes, so even the men that need deliverance too.
Even the men need deliverance. I don't hear you. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Mama.
Eh?
The one was the
Hello.
The second picture.
The second picture.
Is the Luxembourg.
He already Luxembourg. The first one are France.
One picture we send the give me one picture. On a guy red and online.
Now two I send for you. Look your phone. Now two. Now two.
The woman.
That's all in my way. I go and one picture send the real mama. Nah, see one here. Let me see one.
Tell her to say the woman without a trouser.
The woman wey wear gown wey no wear trouser. Wey wear slim gown wey slim. Now that one dey Luxembourg. Then the one wey get body small wey get wey wear jean. Now that one dey France.
Okay, tell me where money me go now.
Nore Luxembourg ni my cabo. My screen any gele ende matata. Ya ka screen on ni. One.
Okay, Nore France now you will screen on an.
Screen on in there. Screen on in there. I might know it. Does he have document? That one.
The one in France.
Mudiana gay. What were they slim in now? Who not bolotic a kill with him? Oh, make me. One last time.
On a tell what they yo, okay, I know that only killer. On a tell what they yo.
You know that we can wait. Now, when I knew what will become who, but we have to go down here.
She is working on
it. Yeah?
She is working
on it. Mama.
Mama, oh my ate we bam ya finish live video we my me we loneliness we ai ka tell mo down here who ka be doctor di name ken be kinu hian lala o oh ma o
mama na tell wa working
oh working later hello hello my lady, how you dey?
Mama, good afternoon, ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, oh. Thank God for picking my call today.
I know they pick your call before.
No. It has been a long time.
I can't define. We never see that man that day. You be like that man, Abby?
Too much.
You like him too much? Hey, God.
Yes, no.
But I'm looking for his name. Now his name, now you can't be public. That's it. That guy will send his picture to you.
Yes, sir.
The man, what is his name?
Yes, sir.
Even the man now, maybe he go down they disturb me now. And they find his name so that I go do the hook up finish. I not store his name now. That one you'll be the public.
All right, mom.
No worry, I define now. He go come out for where he had. I define his name. If I feel see his name now, I will tell and say, if the guy be don't see agree that day, now only his name. If you know that you are 44 years, it's 44, Abi? Yes, it's 44. Yeah, the guy, they okay. If you know that you are 44 years, you are on my hookup. I told you that I want to hook you up with a woman who is 39 years old. I've been looking for your name. I'm not finding your name because I didn't saw your number. And the lady say don't like you when I come with the public. So I'll be my lady.
Yes, sir.
You see, huh?
The time we wanted to do hookup, Sister Joe was saying the picture is not clear. It's not clear. Just get tired. No, it's okay.
Now, the lady say don't like you and I'm looking for your name. If you know, say I promise to connect you with a lady to do your hookup. You are 44 years. You live in Italy. Please write me. Tell me say Mama Rita na me. Show yourself. If you know, say you'll be waiting.
I need a book.
You need a book, Book. Okay.
You know, you sent me his pictures, his 2 pictures.
I sent you his 2 pictures, Sabi?
Yes.
A correct guy. It's just that I'm looking for his. Don't worry, we'll find him. Admit they find on the book. Go see him.
All right.
Go.
Right. Thank you very much. Yes, ma'am. Just do that thing. All right. Ciao.
All right. So my people, somebody say, Mama, I dey here. I like this lady on phone. You like the lady on phone? Without love, life is worthless. I be my brother, very, very worthless. So now so it be. Some people not really know. Say, hookup is very, very difficult. Hookup is frustrating. Hookup is frustrating, can also be very frustrating. Hello?
Hello?
Yo. How you doing?
Mama Rita.
Yo.
Wake up, man. Thank God, you're married to a family.
I not able to pick your own too.
You know they pick my call, even they cut out.
Maybe not because I know say I never get person for you. I can't say what we want to talk so.
I know, yes, you know they pick. I won't call even yesterday. Say, I follow you. That 11 something.
Tell me now, but me I never get person for you. I for don't call you. You know say Germany women scarce for Germany. Women wait for Germany. Now so single more than F you.
Mama, I tell you now. I say not be by only Germany. No, I say not be by only Germany.
Even for Spain, even for France.
No, I tell you, I say not be by only Germany. You understand?
I
say I get document. I mean, they Berlin when I call you last night. We discuss. So you say my picture for you. No worry, my brother. You just enter hookup now. I never say where you come. Just hold on. You never say where you come. My lady, how you dey? Ew.
Good afternoon. I prefer to see you for hookup this afternoon.
Na cleaning. I say I want clean house. So before I say when you moya laku, you move me hookup. If I join enter live video, my hookup people they will just see me for live. They will begin to call. My phone and lie. Now I just say okay. Since you see me if you wearing now why we though. It can't low. Why the phone can't low now? Mudia in your speaker. I don't know how to take come on for speaker. As if you're more like who they draw me enter. Thank God winter is finished. I don't care if I don't have a woman. Really? Ew.
I say I hope you never forget me.
I never forget you now. I be never do your own finish that day. I don't do your hookup now before.
Where you for do one?
I do and I just that you don't like the guy. Oh no, sorry. Not be lie. The guy was older. Yes. He was older than the guy. All these old men where they Italy, we have na conde. Old men. Most old men where they turn their body to they turn themselves to young boys. They turn themselves to small man because they find small girls. Small girls not the market again. Me not worry. This lady that is talking here is 43 years. She's going to 44. She's in Italy. She never gave one picking. All right. She's a businesswoman. She's running her own business. She's doing her own thing. She just wants a God-fearing man. In short, a man that fear God. That be my lady.
Nice so. You don't talk.
Yes. A man that fear God, that respect God, go see the Italy there. Not be the one where she go the Eta aeroplane, they find the go. The one where know how to love woman, a romantic man. Abi?
Nice so.
Yes.
Careful man.
A caring man, a romantic man where sabi take care of a woman. Now what is she define? So if you know that you are that kind of a woman, a man, report yourself on my hookup show. Report yourself with immediate effect.
You don't. Okay.
Somebody say Italian men don't want to settle. So Italian men don't want to settle down. God will do it for them. Sonny Duduvaga. Which kind of name is that one? Now, wow, me say Sonny Duduvaga. Let me say hello and bye-bye for now. So the ones where we do, Brother Big Joe, I'll make you talk with that lady. At 44, my God. 44 years, life is just beginning now. Life begins at 40. So, my people, see you people later. Ciao.